If you want to close your YouTube Music account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is properly deleted. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your YouTube Music account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Membership. In the Settings menu, look for the Membership or Account section. This is where you can manage your subscription and account details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your YouTube Music subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. This step is crucial as it prevents any future charges. Step 5. Delete accounts. After cancelling your subscription, go back to the Settings menu and look for the option to delete your account. Follow the instructions provided to permanently close your YouTube Music account. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube Music account will be closed. Be sure to back up any playlists or music you want to keep before starting this process, as deletion is permanent.